In this video, I'm going to show you a best binary option strategy that has a highest win rate, and it is used by someone like you and me to grow their account from $10 to $4,000. So watch this video very carefully to understand this strategy, and it is extremely simple to understand this strategy and implement it. Okay, so now without doing any delay, let's get started. And yes, after explaining you this strategy, I'm exactly going to show you by making few trades, like 3 to 4 trades, okay? And watch those trades very carefully, and how I get right in all of those trades. You will also um, get a better understanding on how you need to execute the trade. Okay, so watch this video very carefully. So what you need to do is, firstly select the currency pair whichever you want to make trade, and just make these favorites. Okay, and once you do this much, then your candlestick should be of 1 minute, and your trading time frame should also be of 1 minute, and decide the amount that you want to invest. Now once you do this much, then just click on here and click on this zigzag indicator, and you don't need to make any change in this setting. In case if you are using any other platform, then this should be your setting. Okay, now you can see here zigzag is showing us uptrend, downtrend. Okay, but all of these places we don't need to make any trade in this kind of condition. Okay, there's only one condition where you need to make trade with this strategy, and I'm going to show you that. So as you can see, here is one condition. So these candles are aligning with this zigzag indicator, so you need to see this kind of pattern. Okay, wherever you see this kind of pattern, then exactly at any moment at here or wherever you are, make trade by clicking on lower. Similarly, in case of uptrend, you can see here this all of these candles should align with this zigzag in this way. Okay, and anywhere at here you can make a trade by clicking on higher. And in all of this type of condition, you need to ignore the trade. Okay, don't make any trade. Now I'll show you by making 4 5 trades. Okay, and I'll not do any kind of fast forwarding. So watch these trades very carefully to understand how you need to execute these trades. Now don't forget to like this video, and I'll be quiet now and show you all of these trades.